Hello everyone, today I will show you how to revert back the changes that you have made in your Google Chrome, or how to get your deleted user data back, or how to get your old profile, that is old Chrome profile. Google Chrome profile can be deleted accidentally, or sometimes it can be deleted by the trojans on the search bars. The search bars won't let you change the Google profile. So what you need to do is delete the current profile, and after deleting your current profile, something like this, you will not have any of your extensions, you will not have any of your histories, and you will not have any of your bookmarks. It is bookmarks. You will not have any of your bookmarks. So how to get back to your old profile, that is how to get all your data, browsing data back. So let's see. Open this location in your system, that is for OS Windows 8, that is my system. I have to go to this location. I will put all the locations for all OSs in my description, in the video description. So let's go to this location now. Computer, C, program files, wait. So it's C, username, and sometimes data can be hidden. So check the hidden files in options. Okay, go to app data, local, and in local it's Google, and in Google it's Chrome, and there will be two user data, one is old and one is the current. You will have everything, every data that you have stored will be in user data old. So you have to just switch the names here. After switching your names, your current data will be your old data, and your old data will be your current data. Open your Google Chrome, you will get all your bookmarks, you will get all your extensions, you will get all your histories. That's all. Thanks for watching.